Good afternoon, guys. I hope we're all sparkly. With low testosterone, it doesn't matter what you do. You do not see the reward for your effort. You should be working on your lifestyle, your diet, and your training every single day. So when you go on testosterone replacement therapy, joy, you will see the reward for your effort. The problem is, nobody puts the effort in, even on TRT. You've got to work 24/7. Train hard, work hard, rest well. Understand these principles. Understand the need for contrast to establish harmony. You won't grow if you don't rest well. You won't grow if you don't eat right. It isn't all about training hard. For heaven's sake, nobody trains hard. Nobody understands what going to failure means. Well, I need my 2-minute rest. You know, I've got to text. I've got to take a selfie. Blood and guts. Train your ass off. I went to the gym today, did legs. The hardest and the best training day of the week, because it's hard. And if you achieve the goal that you set out to achieve, the fact it's been hard means you can actually pat yourself on your back. Always pushing a little bit further, a little bit harder to attain the goal. And what's the goal? The reward. I want to achieve 500 kilo leg press within the next 2 weeks. Today, I pyramided up from 250 to 450. A good solid 4 reps of 450. And then I drop set down to 200 kilos. That looked a bit pathetic. But I was groaning. I was moaning. I couldn't do anymore. And all these people prancing around, texting, none of them were going to failure. None of them were putting the effort in to achieve the reward, because, well, I listened to and he says you need 2 minutes rest in between sets, and you need to do this and you need to do that. You don't put the effort in, so you won't see the reward. You need to force your body to change. You need to create these little micro tears within the muscle fibers in order to stimulate anabolism. Just being on TRT is not going to cause you to grow and be the person you want to be. You've got to understand that you've got to put the effort in. God, it's so frustrating, and I don't know why it frustrates me, really, because they're not interfering with me. I actually told somebody to get off the bench press the other day. What are you doing? I want to train, mate. He did. Oh, sorry. So why go to the gym if you're not going to put the effort in? I was in the gym for an hour. You did fuck all. What was the point? Now, we talk about mindfulness, and I love the Henry Rollins quote. The iron never lies. 200 pounds is always 200 pounds. With so many variables in life, it's nice to have some consistency. And lifting heavy ass weights is actually a form of mindfulness, because you actually have to concentrate. But nobody concentrates anymore. They're on the phones. God. In between sets, I am pacing. I am literally recovering from going to failure to prepare, to mentally prepare myself, physically prepare myself to go to failure on the next set. I'm not worried what's going on Instagram. I'm not replying to messages. I'm not watching fucking YouTube videos. I'm working hard because I want to stay focused. I want to stay motivated. And testosterone allows you to be motivated. It allows you to have that drive and determination to go earn your reward. But society is full of weirdos. Oh, it's not working for me. You're not working. On the forums, oh, I don't think TRT is working. You're drinking a bottle of scotch every week. You know, you've got a young family. You're not sleeping properly because the kid's up, but you're moaning about TRT. TRT is not a panacea to cure life. TRT is literally the foundation. But there are other things that you need to address, and you need to address them every day. Now, no word of a lie, it's been a pretty crappy time recently, hasn't it? Lydia called me squidgy 8 weeks ago. I didn't like that. So I took a look in the mirror. I did look a bit squidgy. Well, it's been a hard time, hasn't it? Who cares? Nobody cares. Work harder. Your excuses are boring. Your self-pity is boring. Doesn't help you, doesn't help anybody. What are you going to do about it? Well, I've got diabetes. Well, that means you've got to work twice as hard at your diet. Well, I've got this. That means you do need to work twice as hard. Sorry, life isn't fair, is it? So what are you going to do about it? Moan, bitch? It's up to you, isn't it? I can't put the hard work in for you. I can hopefully tell you what you need to do. Are you going to listen? It's up to you, isn't it? I don't care. It's not my journey. So, it's been a hard time. I bust my knee 18 months ago doing stupid hill sprints. One orthopedic professor wanted to cut my meniscus out. Wasn't too happy with that. So I went and saw the director for the medical... I saw the medical director for the Premier League, and he injected my knee. 5 months, I'm now leg pressing 450 kilos. So, I was given a solution, didn't like that one. I sought another solution, and I've worked my arse off because I want to see the reward for my effort. Earn your reward.